Well, there we are. I've just arrived. I'm a little late at 8 o'clock, but we have the dirt has been delivered. Some dirt, which is pretty cool. And Dave has been here since 6:30 a.m. It's 8:30 now. I got a little bit of a late start, and we're going to see just how well, it's looking good. Oh, the culvert was here, and all right, the trees are gone. Well, we dropped the trees yesterday, and Dave is working them. All right, very good. Okay. Oh wow, the stump grinders did a great job. He's already grading the lot. Wow. All right. So there was a small tree right here that I took out last, and then the big rotted tree, no stump, gone completely. And then you had that back tree there. So let's just, yeah, he's graded the ground. Wow, you can't even tell. It was a big stump, you can't even tell. That's great. Haha, looking good. So the other tree was right there going straight up. It was a big one. It's a big one. Oh man, that looks good. I can't believe it. That works so much better once they grade that ground. Of course, he's not done with it. It just looks so much bigger. Like it. It's looking good. All right, I'm going to be putting a 911 sign up today, and we're going to be putting stakes out. And I'm going to give Dave all the support I can, all the back labor I can. We want this to come out real nice. Good morning. I'm sorry I'm late. Okay. All right, while Dave is doing that, I will be making a 911 address sign. Putting the numbers on that. We've got steaks that I cut this morning, really good steaks, not your flimsy steaks. You see, I hate those flimsy steaks that people are putting up. I do these big, thick ones if Dave wants to use these. Where you can write on it, and I've sharpened the end of them. So we're going to mark the utilities and all that today. So, it's going to look good. Okay, coming out good. Just a little 360-degree view. From a distance, you can already see the difference. Those trees gone, and of course, the stump grinding is really great. And he already did some grading on that. It was coming out great. I don't know. I think I want it back, actually. Okay, we got another dump truck coming to lot 151. This is like the third or fourth dump truck between what I've seen the last couple of days. All right. Right now, Dave is communicating with the dump guy. I think he's going to have him bring it all the way to the back. I'm not sure. This will be interesting. Great, that tree is gone. Love it. Love it. Okay. It's kind of good to, in my opinion, to have a dump truck like that with two tires and all that weight go over that culvert and compact that dirt down. And if he goes over that 2 or 3 times in his load, it's all the better. You can't get a better weight than that. Okay, I think he's going to drop it there. Maybe we can get us a money shot. All right, this is the danger that 423 Bylane goes through to get to. That's a lot of dirt. Okay. All right, Dave's gonna get on. Dave's gonna get on that tractor now. Okay, with that second dump truck load, Dave has already put a little at the front here. So the next one will come, give him more dirt to work with, So that's where we're at. It's gonna be a long day. A lot of truckloads coming in. Well, we're getting there. Little by little. Okay, with that second dump truck load, Dave has already put a little at the front here. So the next one will come, give him more dirt to work with, So that's where we're at. It's gonna be a long day. A lot of truckloads coming in. Well, we're getting there. Little by little. All right, here's another dump truck load delivered. I was at the office setting up an account just now, so I missed this one, but we can see it's delivered to the back. And now that's being spread. And we got another one. This is like number 4, I believe. Oh, that was pretty scary. He was right behind me. All right. All right, this is the back lot line. And there she was. There she goes.
Picking up on me now, huh?
Okay, cool, cool.
Sneaking them in on me now. Almost ready for that one. You got another one with the cup on? Yeah. Another one down there. That one up there? Yeah. All right,
We're getting there. Anyway, we got now we got 2 large mounds. The one he just dropped at the back there, and this other one that just came in. Okay. So Dave is working on these 2 mounds. He's taking the first mound, he's spreading it around the edge and getting it to the lot line. Back up and smooth that over. Maybe just a good amount there. Okay, I just went and got Dave lunch, and I just want to note that while I was gone, another load of dirt has been delivered in the back there. So we're gonna go check that out. And it's coming along nicely. Wow, it's nice and thick. And now we're getting that back lot line covered. So I think this is, I want to say load number 5. I want to say load number 5. I'm not sure if it's 5 or 6, because I took off a couple of times and this dump truck doesn't quit bringing them. Dave can't stop for more than 2 minutes and then the guy's showing up. So, but we're at that back lot line. This is Dave, and you know, he's very intimidating, but he is the nicest gentleman that I have met. And in exchange for the burger, I just wanted to show you the man who, obviously stunning good looks. He's been compared to Paul Newman at times, but Dave is doing all these fantastic properties, all the lot development here in the village, and I gotta say, I'm proud to know this gentleman right here, because without him I couldn't get these lots done. And but anyway, 423 Buy Land is the best in Polk County. So call or text us anytime, and of course Dave's number is everywhere. Call him for pricing. He knows all of my lots. He will meet you out there anytime. And always, it's customary to always buy lunch for the tractor guys. So just remember that. So anyway, good luck. Okay. We got 2 more loads coming in, and that should be enough to do in there. It's real high right here. It's real high, and it's real high back there. So 2 loads will be plenty just to fill in this gap and then spread that out and even that off. Of course, flatten it out. So we're moving along. We're moving along. Okay. We are nearing the end of this. I think we just got load number 7 in. I don't know, I think there's only a couple left. And it's been somewhat of a long day. It's been a long day for Dave. He's been up since 5 a.m. Been out here since 6:30. He went to get some fuel. Went to go fill up with gas. And I just want to do a walk around. Very thick dirt. Very thick dirt. As far as the thickness that he's grading it at. And I think this is basically just going to fill through there. And there's going to be a lot of grading involved. Looking real good. I'm really happy. I'm not going to be happy when I step in my truck because I'm going to have dirt all over it. But this is the last one, so I think it's the last one. Maybe they're coming with another one. I don't know. I don't know. It's been I've lost count, but all is good. All is good. Great, right there in the back lot line. You got a nice thick bead there. We're on 151. We got our last load of dirt. I believe that's 8 loads. And boy, it's been a long day. I'm pretty impressed with Dave. Must be tiring all day out here, spreading the dirt. But anyway, let's go check it out. There was the last drop. I think that's the last drop. That's number 8. And yeah, you know, I was wondering if he was going to need 8. You can say he needs every bit of that last load. So this is the last load for now. I don't know if he's going to be able to camper everything down tonight. And we were going to try to set the stakes for the utilities, but I think tomorrow we're going to do that. But pretty cool. Anyway, I'll be leaving shortly. So it's been a wrap.